Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. David insists that I have a microphone, so this is my microphone for today. So today we are going to do a challenge and it's called Greetings from Around the World. So this is our own channel. This word. And as we did in our last challenge, we're going to keep scores here. May the best man win.
First greeting is from not a single country, it's from a lot of countries in the world. They use this language and it is Salam Alaikum.
Okay, my turn. Me first. Salam, that sounds Arabish to me. Salam? So Arabish.
Me too.
Okay.
No, it means may peace be with you. It is more important in Arab countries to wish you peace than over good morning.
Okay, so Daniel 1, David 1. If you haven't seen our last video, I'll leave it up here in the link or here, I don't know where, and you can go and watch that one where we did another language challenge.
The next greeting is from a place we have not been yet. It is Selamat Pagi.
David?
French.
Please pronounce that again. Please.
Selamat Pagi.
Selamat Pagi. And we have never been there.
We've been close.
You see what make you feel listen? We have never been there. I don't really know. Iran?
Oh, I know.
Anything to say?
Iraq? Where? Where did you say?
Russia.
Where is it, Hannah?
It's in Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Neighboring
I
country.
don't even know what Malaysia.
Did you guys know that? Tell me. Leave in the comment if you knew what that was. Where that greeting came from. And what does it mean?
And if I good morning. So, number 3. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Who? David? Yeah.
No, you
go
I
first.
went first before.
Okay, so I'll go. Can you repeat that, please?
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Japanese. What do you say? I'm so confident I can even write down my mark.
Wait. I think it's China.
Chinese?
Chinese, yeah.
Okay.
It's Japanese.
Yo, teacher.
No, I didn't cheat. Guys, you know why I knew it was Japanese? The last part. Can you say it again?
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Gaimasu. That's why I know it's Japanese. Number 4.
Number 4. Dobry den.
What's that? Do you know what Dobriden is?
We know somebody who understands that.
Dobriden.
I say it's Mexican.
It's not Mexican because Mexicans speak Spanish. Portuguese. What is it?
Don't know if I pronounce it right, but that's how they write it. It's Russian.
Russian.
I had Russian before. Why did I say Russian?
David, you missed.
Number 5. I have no clue how to pronounce that one, but Güneydin.
I know that.
Grenadine.
Güneydin.
I will write it here. It should be here. I don't even want to guess. Can you tell me which continent the country is on?
No.
Please? Of course I can
The
ask. what you
continent
think.
is Asian.
Asia. Okay, I think I'm ready to answer. Indonesia. David, yours, guess.
May I say it's not very far in Asia.
Well, that doesn't mean a lot to us. All of Asia is far.
Wait. I said
One.
Stuttgart.
Look here, boy. If I look it up. Stuttgart, okay. Deep wrong.
Turkish.
Oh,
Güneydin. Good morning.
Turkish.
Number 6. Guten Morgen.
It's your turn.
Wait. Second one.
Guten Morgen.
Schweizerdeutsch. Wait.
Oh, you already get it wrong, David.
Oh,
Netherlands. The Netherlands. David, no, I'm disappointed.
I thought you said
David.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
I was gonna say Dutch, but that's wrong.
Dutch. It's Dutch.
Dutch.
Number 7, we have all been there. Buona giornata.
Your turn. Your turn.
Italy. That's Italy.
Sorry, no more.
Buona giornata.
Yeah, that's Italy.
Okay. So we all got a mark.
Auch guten Tag. He, there, pay, there.
Hawaii.
Can you repeat that greeting?
He, there, pay, there.
He, they, pay, they.
He, there, pay, there.
Fiji. Okay. Do you want to try one more time, David? Do you guys know what it is? If you know what it is.
Und da waren wir noch nicht. Italien. Sweden.
I don't know. Finland it is. You know what ice cream is called in Finnish? That's a bonus question.
Okay.
Yeah, hello. Number 9. Bonne journée.
Who is next?
I don't know.
Me. Was it somewhere where we were before? France. Wait! I take that back. I take that.
It's not
I'm at
French.
7.
French. No, it's not French. It can't be.
Okay, you
because
said it.
I would say that is Liechtenstein.
0. Do we get a second chance?
Yes, we can get another.
Italy. Oh, I know where.
If it's a neighboring country, I would say that would have to be. Can I get the geographical location of the country, please? West.
I know. So if this was
Austria.
West.
French.
Oh,
I said
David
French.
got it
I
right.
said French.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Oh, David.
You're right.
David got it right. But why is it bonjour?
I don't know. I checked it a few times and I was expecting to get bonjour.
Bonjour.
Because we know that.
Yeah.
But it's bonjour.
So that's like the formal way of saying it then?
Probably. Yeah.
Let me know in the comment section if you have ever heard that and what exactly it means. If you know what bonjour means, let us know in the comment section.
Number 10.
Number
The last one?
10.
The last one?
Last one.
Yay! Wait, I'm gonna lose.
No.
I might be same.
Well, let's see.
Number 10 is ni hao.
I know this one. I know this one.
Okay.
Chinese.
I know in Chinese,
Don't say it.
meow is meow is a greeting. So niao must also be a Chinese greeting. So I'm also gonna say China.
Copyright.
Are
That's
we
copyright
right?
from me.
Are we right?
That was China.
You're copyrighted from me. You're copyrighted from me.
So guys, we are at the end of our challenge and we have a winner. And
Almost equal. So Danelle is at 5 and David is at 4.
guys, so thank you so much for joining us for this challenge. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it and I hope you enjoy it as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm asking you please to subscribe to our channel, comment in the comment section and like this video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, until next time.